What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and Emmy and Melody back here with another video. We're going to be talking about what the hell happened with this, why it looks like this, and why it's not done after we get back from lunch. But we're going to H-Mart, which I learned is kind of a rare thing. They're not everywhere. We're going to get some pork belly buns and maybe some ramen for me. Bring you guys along with us. Let's do it.
Oh my gosh, hey guys, Fitz and Emmy here. We're gonna go to H-Mart.
Yeah, I'm being a good commie and putting on my mask.
Yeah.
So let's go inside.
Oh my god. I love getting the film.
This is weird as filming in public. So this is just basically an exercise for myself right now. I feel like everybody's looking at me when nobody gives a you know?
Oh my god, Fitz, no one's looking at you.
Yeah. It turns out the only other H-Mart is in like California, so it's kind of cool to have one right in the hometown.
Oh, I hate this.
So I got a bonbon, which is the hot dog, the breading, and the cheese, and then a tempura dragon roll. Order number 43. See you in just a minute. Let's try some sake this evening with peach and try it. See what else we can find. Every time we end up coming in here, it's like a field trip, dude. I love trying new food all the time and different snacks and stuff like that. So if you guys have anything like this where you are, go try it. You'll have fun. This is just the frozen version of what I'm trying today for lunch. It's just cheese hot dogs. They're snack.
So I picked up Fitz's food for him. He's in line right now. We'll see him when he comes out.
Thought I would do a little H-Mart haul. We got the peach sake, a couple coffees, corn dog, kind of. It's like a Korean corn dog, I believe. Sushi. Emmy went back and got another Korean corn dog for herself. And then fried chicken with sweet chili sauce. I'll see you guys after the meal.
Mukbang.
Alright, y'all. So what the hell is up with Emmy's car? Let's get into it. First, let's do a little walk around of how it looks. It is primered. There is overspray stuff, but you won't see that in the future. Primer, 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 overspray, primer, and overspray. You guys might remember this video Miata dropped off for paint was posted on July 2nd. So we can say if it wasn't that second, it was probably by the 5th that we had dropped off the car. The first initial date for having this car done was August 14th or 15th, I believe. That is 40 days from the day we dropped it off. From there, he missed that deadline. After that, the next deadline was September 1st. We said, hey, yo, we need to pick it up by September 1st. Some stuff happened that were out of all of our control, weather. He's in the National Guard and he had to go help for the hurricane in Louisiana. So that is stuff we can't control, right? My problem with it and Emmy's problem with it is the fact that it was there for so long before any of that happened. Second date, September 1st, went for the final time after the 1st and said, okay, we need this done by the 9th. By the 9th. Today is the 19th. We picked it up yesterday, the 18th. So after September 1st, I believe it was the 9th, was the next kind of due date. And then the last one was, and then the last deadline was actually going to be today. It was supposed to be sprayed today. And you can see this is the state of the car. It is not sprayed, it is not done. And it's close, but it's not done, you know? He's had this for, if it was 40 days in August, I don't even want to know how many it is halfway through September. So it is really disappointing, obviously, to get it back in this shape, not done when it was supposed to be sprayed today. At first, we asked him, can you do fiberglass repair? The hard top is fiberglass, it needs to be repaired. So you guys can see, picked it up day before it was supposed to get sprayed. This is just Bondo over the fiberglass. There's no fiberglass repair there on either of these corner latches. They're like, That's mistake number one. Mistake number two, in my opinion, would be all the overspray. Just take a couple seconds to put a bag over the wheels, to put a bag inside the trunk so that none of this gets sprayed. Like, that takes an extra couple minutes. Thought I would show you guys the kit. The kit is good, it's primered, but Emmy went and did all of the Scotch-Brite and the prep for the KBD. She did all that herself. He's the one that primered it. But thankfully the kit in the car is in good shape overall. But dude, oh my god, Gatlinburg is in 11 days now, and this whole situation has just royally fucked Emmy's plans for having the car at Gatlinburg. It's honestly really disappointing. Good person, shitty business, just terrible business. But it is really frustrating for me, let alone Emmy and her car, to get it back like this the day that it was supposed to be painted. So we finally just had to call it, like I said, and pick it up last night. We gotta find somebody else to spray it this week. The other guy that was going to referred us to another guy, so fingers crossed on that. But come on, man, what would you guys do in this situation? Go down in the comments down below. What would you do if your painter missed 3 separate deadlines? What would you guys do? Let me know down in the comments below. As for my car, it is still just chilling on the jack stands. I'm waiting for the rack to get back, hopefully sometime early next week. Let me just give a huge shout out to Cameron, who came out and tinted my car. The edges flawless, the corners flawless. He came out to my house, tinted it, and honestly, Cameron has set my new standard for tint because, one, pricing absolutely amazing. Worked with me on that based on what I needed. Came out and tinted the whole car, all the windows, and couldn't have asked for it to come out any better than it did. So amazing. Cameron, for watching this, thank you so much. His information will be down below. He is mobile. North Carolina people, hit him up. I promise you will not regret it. As for the rest of my parts, T7Rs are here. The smaller tires are outside. Bushings, sealing, my work lugs, license plate, Gander doors, inner and outers, the rack. And then from that point, we can at least have it driving to Gatlinburg. We'll obviously have to wait to get the kit in sometime October-ish. And then we'll really finish up the R32. My goal is just to get it driving by Gatlinburg. But anyways, there's a little update for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz, Emmy's car, some bomb-ass food, and a little bit of frustration here today. It's all good. Fingers crossed, and I'm just gonna trust that we're gonna we're gonna get it done by Gat, and we're gonna go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.